Good night, everyone. Today we want to try to learn how to install. First is to load and install the Phase0 DFT code. So this is the code for the DFT calculation, or we can, or it's used for the in computational material science. Alright, so first we need to open our browser here. So this is our browser. So sorry about that. Here we can type Phase0 and then names. And we go this page. So this is from names Japan, and this is free software. Let me copy first. Alright, now we going to download tabs, and then we use this. Alright, so this is the we need to fill out some kind of form here, so just fill out. Okay, this is our email. So I want to use this one. So just click all of them. We can use for the research, and we just book, because this is book and we have to write what images that appear here, and when we click agree here. Okay, so so this is the page that we can download the software of Phase0 DFT code, and we choose the most up to date of the software. So this the up to date is Phase0 2020 02 target. So just click here this link, and it will download. Okay. It need time. In this page, choose the most Alright. So I think it's ready to load it. Let's see. Oh, it's not good. I think my connection is not so good. Let me restart the modem. Oh, okay. It's failed. Now it's this is coming. Okay. I need to pause this record first. Okay, now the download is complete, so we can open the file here. All right, let's make a new folder. Installing Phase. So so we want to install this, so we need to extract this tar.gz file. So just extract. We need to wait for a moment. All right, now is so there is many folder here like pinsim, pintalk samples, and etc. So first we going to doc. Try this English version. So try to install wait install. Okay, so this one. All right, so this is the installation subsection. So base is can be run into the several operating system environment like Linux, Windows XP, Mac OS, Oracle Solaris, and etc. But here we will try in Linux, and there is here we can see that there is some thing that we need to install first. There is compilers, and there is so libraries, I mean additional library. So first we're trying to install the compiler, right? So we're trying to install the compiler by use this command, and just open the terminal and paste and execute the command. Here I have already installed, so nothing happened. But if you don't have installed the this software, so there will be something that can download it, right? Now is let's see. So this is the compilers, and the next one is the additional libraries like Lapack, Blas, and Scalapack, and then fftw3. So we need to install these libraries using this one. So I already make a cheat sheet, and you just try to copy and paste, and then just execute the command. Same for this above. I have already installed this library, so nothing happened. So we can start execute installation of Phase0 DFT Code. All right. So I already in this folder. So if you don't have, if you not in this folder, then you need to put your terminal in this folder. So this is my location of terminal. All right, now is trying to install. Okay, we use this. All right. So, all right. So this is the installation. Do you want to install this? Of course. So we type yes, and then supported platforms. We use GNU Linux MT64, so we choose one. And then for the compiler, we use the gfortran because before we installed the gfortran. So here we use this compiler. So we choose 0. We also use the MPI. So OpenMPI is installed, so we use choose the MPI parallel. All right, so next is OpenMPI because we install the OpenMPI libraries. Right. So next is the Blas and Lapack. So we already installed also installed Blas and Lapack library. So we just type 0. Next is fftw3. So we also just choose this one. So we put 1. All right, just next. Yes, and this is no. Yes. All right, now it's compiling. So the file will compile the, I mean, Phase0 will be compiled, and it will be, there is a executed file. So we can use the executed file to calculate our material proposal. So to how to say. All right, so I just want to pause. Then after finish, I will show you again. Okay, now we can how to say, the installation is finished. So we want to try the installed program. So can use yes here. So it will calculate the graphene. I think graphene. All right, so it's calculate something, and so this is okay. But it's not finished yet. We need to, how to say, we need to define a local variable in our bashrc. But in my case, I use I use a zsh terminal, so it will be a zshrc. So now we try to film.zshrc. Our film zshrc. Okay. Actually, I have a calculate. I have a this one. So what you need to do is copy this and paste. I'm sorry, it's wrong. So export. So this path is like this. Oh, sorry. Here. Yeah. Right. So just copy this and paste to the. Ready? Sorry, what is this? All right. But we need to. Okay. All right. Now source is then it will if we try to calculate the samples. So there is a samples here. All right. So this one. Okay. So you can calculate the environment in MP2 please. It's piece. Oh, sorry. So let's close the terminal. Oh, please. Oh, let me check. Sure. There is some error here. Okay. All right. Now we try to run. Okay. Right. Try again. Sorry for that. Oh, right. This is let's try this manually. So you're just trying to so there is some files. There is some calculation here. So this is already finished. So what is this calculation? Checks. So I think it is a diamond. Yes, so this is diamond using two atoms. So we already calculate. So we already succeed the installation of Phase0 DFT Code. But with next we will try we will fix the environment variable in the terminal. It should be used. It should be can be used like this, but I don't know. It is time. Next I will give you the solution. So this is for today. Thank you very much.